What is going on, guys? This is Arm, and right now we're in the freaking middle of a snowstorm, basically. And I don't know if you can tell, but there's a shitload of snow. I'm gonna go ahead and stick my hand through the fucking snow right here. That's about what, a good couple inches or so. Let's go up to the backyard. Shit, dude, I can barely walk. Holy shit. Oh, almost slipped. Damn. I think it's been snowing since, like, what, 5? No, before that. I think it's been snowing since, like, 3 or 4 o'clock in the morning, so it's really piling up. Like I said, it's about 5-6 inches. Let's check out the street. Look, there's my truck. Damn. It's just piling up. Some dude did a donut right here. Fucking kids with their dirt bikes. Shit. So here's the street right here. You can't even see the pavement. Now up here in Washington, you don't really get this kind of... Don't get this much snow. It's usually around, like, what, 2 inches? But this is some kind of record. I don't know. I mean, look. It's about a good couple inches, like I said. Shit. Alright, guys, so I'm basically snowed in today. I'm not gonna be doing shit, so I'm gonna go back in.